Taylor baby. Eating steak off the hibachi, pimping like I'm Liberace. Try as a bitch might, but she knows she can't stop me. Money hungry like a hippo, we just smoking like a hippie. It's my time to fucking grind. Puffin' bitch, you riding with me? Taylor baby spitting out of an element. Cold black, blaze one for the hell of it. Used to put me on, so it's Houston day and night. Can't throw me off the throne, I ain't scared to bite. And I ain't scared to write, and I ain't scared to fight. Catch me on the wrong day and I'll end your night. And if you left us alone, I probably kissed your wife. That's just a fact of life. I know you hate me, right? It's okay, cause I'm still getting paid, so you haters can get fucked in 1,000 different ways. I know it's wrong for me to say, but I say fuck you anyway. I work hard, I play hard, I stay true to my bloodline. I always do what I want to do, so I'll tell you when it's my time. Bitches want to stop my shine, niggas want to stop my grind. Everybody hating on me, why? Cause I'm a fucking dime. Long hair, don't care, and a pretty face. The shit I'm smoking on, always thinking up the place. I got a skinny little waist and I got ass for days. He said I'm running, but I already won the race. 20 years old and only getting better. Bitches act like they don't hear me, tell them bye, Helen Keller. I'm stacking bitches like my paper. You can call me paper chaser. I go in, I go hard, I ball out, I go home. Mad cause your baby daddy's number all in my phone. And I keep something purple in the styrofoam. Listen to the beat, it's like a xylophone. I don't even know what level I'm on. All I know is that I'm high and that my feelings are gone. He said I got a big ego. Here we go. Taylor baby. What's up?